Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is baked salmon in the oven with garlic butter sauce. So delicious and nutritious, and the most important, it's very easy to make. I have here 3 pieces of salmon. I will dry them with the paper towel. Then I have some melted butter. I will put some in the pan that goes to the oven. The oven is preheated already on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I put my salmon on top of the butter, but you have to dry it first. I put some melted butter on the top. You can pour some butter or put it with a brush. This recipe is so delicious and easy. Be sure to every piece of salmon have butter on it. For the seasoning, it's simple also. It's salt to taste, some black pepper, and I have here fresh garlic. If you don't like fresh garlic, you can replace it with garlic powder, whatever you prefer. I put the garlic, that's fresh garlic, crushed garlic on the top of the salmon, and I have some slices of lemon here. You can also squeeze a slice of lemon if you like it, and have some few slices on the top. Now I put it in the oven, 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. It depends on the size of your salmon. It can take up to 15 minutes, depend of the thickness of the salmon. For me, it was took 15 minutes, and it was ready. You don't cover it or nothing. The salmon was so delicious, very moist from the inside. It didn't take no time to cook this salmon. You will accompany this with some rice, roasted vegetables, and dinner. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and that was the recipe for today. Baked salmon in the oven. Let me know in the comments how did you like the recipe, and if you try it, also leave me some nice comments. See you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!